Thinking about you. This individual constantly thinks about how independent you are, how you're able to hold a lot of things down at the same time, how you take care of yourself, how you look radiant, how you are so positive, how you're so ambitious, and how you just look forward to all the projects and goals that you have planned for yourself. It's almost like you're in your own world and they want to join you. This individual feels like maybe they're not enough for you. You know, you're okay on your own. You're okay being independent. You're okay being single, if some of you are single. And if you are in a connection with this individual, this person feels like, what can they actually bring to the table? Because you make life look so easy. It's almost as if you have it all and you can do it all on your own. This person sees you as someone that they should settle down with. You know, you are wifey or husband material to this individual, you know, and this person may feel inadequate. They feel like, what have they got to offer someone that can offer everything to themselves? They also get a little bit insecure and they feel to themselves that it's only a matter of time that you connect with someone else that can offer you more than they can, that can match you, you know. And then it makes this individual think to themselves that they need to level up financially. And to some of you, it's not even about the finances. I just feel like you are just wanting this person to meet you where you're at in regards to the mental aspect of the connection. Yes, for some of you, you're doing it on your own and you look fine doing it also. I just have to put that one in, right? But on the real, this individual feels quite intimidated by you and they feel like in order to be with someone like you, they would really have to buckle down and mature. You know, maybe this individual is going through a time in their life whereby they're in between jobs. For some of you, this person could be in a good job, but they may feel like they're not making enough. They feel like you deserve the world. You know, they see you as high caliber because you simply are. You know, they see you as someone that is so pristine, someone that's royal, someone that's regal, you know, someone that's better than them. And some of you are not even thinking about that. For others of you, I feel like you could be in a romantic relationship with this individual, or this is something that they are wanting out of this actual connection. You know, they actually do see a future with you. So that's confirmation for some of you. I feel like this individual sees you as the prize because you are quite simply the prize. And they will never do anything to jeopardize this actual connection. You know, you bring a lot of love, sunshine, and happiness into their life. Before they encountered you, things were looking a little bit bleak. I'm not gonna lie. You know, I feel like this individual forgot what it felt like to be happy. You know, life was a little bit mundane. You brought the sun into their life, and they keep thinking about the conversations that you shared together or that you shared, the dates that you had, you know, the laughter, the inside jokes, the funny dancing that you both did. You know, there's something about some of you going to a ball or a disco or a club. Some of you were on a date with this individual. For others of you, you have not been on a date with this individual yet. And this is one of the things that this individual thinks about. When are we going to go on a date? Where should I take them? What should we do? Will they find me boring? You know, but this is something that this person wants to do. You know, they want to see you in all your glory, meaning that they want to see you in your true authentic state. You know, wherever you encounter this individual may feel as if you're both unable to really truly express yourself. You know, you could work with this individual For some of you, I feel like this person sees you in passing, they admire you, but they're too shy to, talk to you. For some of you, if this individual sees you in passing, they may see you at a supermarket or a shopping mall, and they could actually work in that shopping mall or supermarket, or they could shop in that place also. And they just assume that you're in a relationship. For some of you, they know that you're not married because they've looked at your hand and they haven't seen a ring, but at the same time they just think to themselves, nah, I bet he or she has a partner, look at them, because everything's just on point with you in their view, right? And I'm sure you're a hottie. I know you're a hottie, but they admire you from head to toe. They may have walked past you. You smell good. You look good. You take care of yourself. Your makeup's on point. If you don't wear makeup, you got beautiful skin. You always look vibrant. You always look high vibrational, positive. Some of you could talk on the phone a lot. Some of you could just simply be in your own world and you have a smile on your face, and they just feel like you're at peace and they don't want to come into your life and disturb that peace. Again, I feel like this individual sees you as so abundant, so radiant, filled with so much joy. And they think about the possibilities that they can have with you, the fun that you can create together. There may have been third parties in the actual situation with yourself and this individual, whether that was from your side or their side. And they want you to know that they choose you. They choose you. I'm hearing I was tripping. What was I thinking? I feel like this individual feels that they weren't in the right frame of mind at the time. And for some of you, these third parties may not be romantic partners. It could have been sisters, cousins, friends, whatever the case is. And they wasn't aware of the impact that these individuals had on the actual connection. Because this individual wasn't thinking about a relationship. They were just thinking about the here and now. And they were also thinking about, what works for them. Connecting with the same people that they connect with every day or every other day. Not wanting to invite in anything new. So they were oblivious to what you represented. Something's changed within this individual. There's been a shift. There's been some sort of ending. And I feel like this individual's encounter with you has pierced their heart, because before they connected with you, this person's heart chakra was closed. It was wrapped up with so many different things: mummy issues, ex-partners, expectations, lack of self-love, not feeling good enough. It was wrapped up with so many different things. And for some of you, yes, you've encountered this person and had some sort of conversation, or maybe you smiled at them. There's something that happened. There's been a shift. And within this actual shift, this person knows they cannot go back to the old. They cannot go back to the old anymore, because you are the type of person that exudes love. You are the embodiment of love. And this is why this individual feels like in order to be with someone like you, they have to match you. They can't come towards you in a King of Swords energy or in a Queen of Swords energy. And maybe for some of you, they were in that energy in the past. And they realized it wasn't working because they weren't being in their true authentic state. Though when they were in that Swords energy, they felt comfortable because they didn't have to reveal parts of themselves that they felt would be ridiculed, laughed at, and rejected. But within you, they found that you accepted them, flaws and all. You were standing in your authentic state, which made them stand in their authentic state and share who they really are. They're climbing out of fears. And like I said before, this individual was going through many, many fears. You know, they were working through, I should say, those fears that were holding them back. And it was almost as if in the past they weren't willing to work through these fears. They were satisfied with where they were at, because to them it was too much work. And they felt like in order to stand beside you, to connect with you, they will have to shed so many layers, and it will take a lifetime in their view. Didn't help that they had others around them that were keeping them stagnated in this actual state, not allowing them to evolve, not allowing them to grow. And this person, I feel, is still working through these fears. It's an ongoing process, right? Healing is an ongoing process. And I feel like this person is indeed healing. I also feel like this person still has fears, you know, that they are facing, that they are working through. And this actual situation will actually be very slow moving, because this is a person that doesn't like to rush. This person's very cautious, and they're very cautious of you as well. But one thing is for sure, they find you extremely attractive, not just in the way that you look, your whole energy. And I feel like one thing that they really find attractive about you is the fact that you love yourself. Your self-love makes this person very, very attracted to you, because you respect yourself, you look after yourself, you seem at peace with yourself, and this person is drawn to those qualities. So keep upping on the self-love, keep pouring into yourself, because this person loves it. This person does have a lot of passion for you, but they try and censor this aspect. They want to engage with you. They want to connect with you. They want to talk to you. They want to learn more about you. They find you interesting. For some of you, like I mentioned before, you're already in a relationship with this individual. This person is thinking about proposing to you. Some of you may get proposed to during Christmas time. I let the cat out of the bag, sorry. But yeah, for real, this person sees you as their future wife, their future husband. This person also wants to have children. If you've got children with this individual, they want to expand the family. Okay? For others of you, this person sees you as someone that they can never get bored of. If you've been disconnected from this individual, they want to reconcile with you. But they're going to, play down their excitement. Because of you, this individual is realizing that it's safe for them to love, and they feel like you are safe to love. I don't know what you've done to this individual, but you got this person's heart.